Hey, Tom again from Rocket Restorations at Rocket Resto on YouTube. And we're at the MCACN 2023 show and just wanted to show the Hurricane Bird. I'm sure some of you guys have seen this before. Magnum Restorations is doing the restoration on this. And this is one of the birds that was in the hurricane last year in Florida. And these cars were not abused. They were on a 4-post lift in a garage, and the guy kind of hoped he got a couple of his cars out and put them up on a 4-post lift, and they basically floated outside in the storm surge. So, but unfortunately they got dumped on the roof and got damaged pretty bad. So Magnum's doing this restoration right now, and they got it dipped and all the body work done. They had it here last year right after the incident, but they've made a lot of progress on it. Like they had the radio for it out, and it looked like it was underneath the ocean and only been there for like a couple months. But when this car got totaled, after the flood, and then the new owner bought it, and they got it dipped pretty much right away after that. But you can see these guys work. They got it in basically primer, and it's looking pretty good, because boy, when a car gets under salt water like that, you got to dip it. You got to neutralize everything, because salt water and rust do not quit. It will come back. Let's say they did a nice job on it. I think they're hoping to have this one done next year for MCACN. So they made this much progress in a year. So all the component restoration's been done, and the body shell's been done. And here's actually a really good opportunity to show you some kind of, you don't get to see a bare floor pan very often on a car like this. So you can see right here the 4-speed hump. So on a 4-speed car, those were put in, and they were just kind of welded around. And this car was a buddy seat car, so you can tell by the brackets. Console brackets would have another one up there instead of that upright piece. And every B-body got bucket seat braces, so you can see how they're welded in there. They're very unique to a B-body. But when you got bucket seats, the outer bolts have a brace over there. That's factory, so all bench seat and bucket seat cars got that. On the inside, there's no brace. It's just bare metal over there. So when you're, canyon carving in your Superbird, you need those braces there, or else the floor pan will crack. See back there, those 4 holes right there for the dual exhaust bracket. That's unique to a HP car. We got the rear bench brackets back there. Done a pretty good job with this. Superbird's got extra holes there for the A-pillar trim stainless. Again, here's a little more blown up shot when they found the cars. Unfortunately, the bird ended up on its lid. So they've got all the stuff fixed, and it's moving right along to the restoration. So even you can save a flood car, but you can't wait very long, and it helps if it's a Superbird, because these restorations are not cheap. So it helps if it's a Superbird to recover some of your costs in the end. Looks like the new owner is Tony now. This was an EK2 bird with a 354 Daytona 4-speed. It's supposed to be 833 transmission, so it looks like they spelled that wrong on their sign, which is kind of funny. Vitamin C paint and black bucket seat interior. So hopefully next year we'll see this at MCACN, all finished and all done. All right, thanks for watching.